Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3. We are learning unit 15. Its title is The Technologies. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear children, today under the title of grammar, we are going to learn about possessive adjectives. Before this, we have already studied about possessive pronouns. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And we are going to learn further about possessive adjectives. Our SLO is to recognize and use words showing possession as possessive adjectives. For example, his coat, his bag, etc. So let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Ibrahim, verse 11. Their messengers said to them, "We are indeed only humans like you, but Allah favors whoever He chooses of His servants." Yes, my dear children, what this beautiful verse is telling us. So this verse is telling us the messengers are human beings and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has blessed them with extraordinary qualities, right? And this verse is telling us this is how and why, because whoever Allah chooses for his task, he blesses his servant. So alhamdulillah, but beta, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has blessed us with many abilities. So if we use these abilities in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah will increase these blessings, inshallah. Okay, Allah has given us tongue. If we use this tongue in saying good words, Allah will increase our ability to speak, right? This is how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless his chosen people. Okay, so my dear children, now look at this his. What this is showing, his servant means servants of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, right? So this his, what it is in grammar, it is possessive adjective, what we are going to learn today. So first you tell me, what is an adjective and what are possessive pronouns? We have learnt about both of these grammar topics, adjectives and possessive pronouns. So pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you have answered correctly. Adjectives are words that tell you more about a noun. Okay, so the words which tell you more about noun are adjectives. For example, brown hair. Now this adjective is telling us more about this noun. Orange shirt. Okay, orange is adjective which is telling us the color of this noun, which is shirt. All right, red shoes. This is how. So one thing I want you to think, where do we write adjective? It comes before noun. Okay, so it comes when we are writing or speaking about a noun. We use adjective before noun, right? Okay, now what are possessive pronouns? Possessive pronouns show possession or ownership. We have studied about it. So where do we write it? We write it after noun. This is my desk. So my is possessive adjective. It's mine, it's possessive pronoun. So beta, this is a very simple difference. If a possessive adjective, because I told you adjective comes before noun. So if a possession word is coming before noun, it is adjective, and if it is coming after noun, it becomes possessive pronoun. Okay, so about possessive pronoun we have already studied. These possessive pronouns are mine, yours, his, hers, it's, ours, theirs. And what are possessive adjectives then? They are here. Okay, if it is your pronoun is I, its possessive adjective is my. If your pronoun is you, its possessive adjective is your. For he, possessive adjective is his. For she, it's her. For it, it's we, our, you, your, they, their. Right? So these are possessive adjectives, and in a sentence we write them, we use them before noun. Okay, so its examples are, let's see what does your book say about it. All of you open your book on page number 126. We'll read its examples from your book. Possessive adjectives show possession. And what is possession, by the way? What is possession? It's ownership, okay, to a specific person, animal, or thing. A possessive adjective comes before a noun. Okay, it comes before a noun. For example, her bag is red. Now, her bag, this is possessive adjective. It is coming before this noun. So, what belongs to her? She is owner of this red bag. Okay, so she has a red bag. Her bag is red. Her bag is red. So this is possessive adjective which is showing the ownership of this bag. Right? Okay, the next example is my sister is tall. She is saying my sister is tall. Now she is showing the possession of sister. This lady is my sister. Okay, all right. The next is its teeth are very sharp. Now look at its teeth. Oh, really? They are very sharp. So its teeth means these teeth which we are talking about, he is like, it is the owner of these teeth. That's why its teeth are very sharp, right? This is how we use possessive adjectives in sentences. Are you clear? Okay, so let's practice it through an activity. Teacher will divide class in groups, and teacher will collect one thing from each member of the group. For example, a pencil, a book, eraser, notebook, etc. Right? Now, every student will tell about the possession of these things by using possessive adjective. By saying, this is my pencil, it is her book, etc. Okay, so pause the video, enjoy this activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. It's time for practice. So all of you, open your book on page number 126 and start doing these sentences, complete these sentences by using possessive adjectives. Okay, so pause the video, complete question number 5 in your book, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. You are smart and quick. All right, it's time for your homework. You will write 5 sentences to mention 5 positions of your family members by using possessive adjectives. For example, you can say, my brother is a cricketer and he keeps his bat safe. Okay, so likewise, you will keep making sentences. So this is your homework, and I'm giving you a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So what we have learned today, we learned to recognize and use words showing possession as possessive adjectives. For example, his coat, his bag, etc. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.